Hey, Chad, we're gonna get right into things. We're gonna get right into things over here. Are you kidding me right now? Just confirm for guys if you guys can hear me. Anyone in the chat? Anyone in the chat? Sorry, I need to download this. I've been running around. All good. Okay, all clear. Lovely stuff. Lovely stuff, man. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are doing well. Sorry, I need to convert this thing quickly. Otherwise, we don't have any music. Because it seems like we're really experiencing problems on the stream. First stream of the year. I think it's really about time we... Oh my freaking what? Okay, seems like we're in action. Yeah, seems like we're in action. Okay, crash 1000. Okay, we didn't analyze crash yet. Okay, maybe just have a look at it. But I really see something that I like. I really see something that I like right over here. Some potential buys coming through. I'm just gonna remove these drawings because it's not that important to me right now. Okay, let me try this again. Let's try converting this again. Otherwise, just to celebrate the new year, I'm sure we can just hold it like this then instead. Oh, that's loud. Oh, that's very loud. Yo, almost burst my eardrum there. Okay, let's see if this is so confusing. Okay, let's just do this. 4 hour. Let's see what's happening over here. Here's the weekly open. So that could be a target for me right there. And then if we just look at structure over here as well, this was last week's low, I think, if I'm not mistaken. That has been swept. Oh my freaking word, guys. I can't believe this is happening. Everything was fine a few minutes ago. T&2A. How's it, Jeff? All's good, man. All's well, can't complain. Just getting irritated with my Wi-Fi here because this really sucks what's happening right now. Otherwise, I'm really gonna have to make a plan for Wi-Fi today, and I'm gonna have to make another plan. Like, it's not even loading my chart. That's how cuck it is. I can't even imagine what Problem could be. Okay, let's try something different. Let's try something different. In. Let's try this again. Okay. In. Let's try this again. Okay. Okay, let's see if my 15-minute chart's gonna work or if it's gonna glitch. It's still glitching. It is still glitching. Good day, Jevon Chad. Hey, Jadian. Welcome, man. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well. Bro, like, this is so messed up what's happening right now. But okay, here we go. Here we go. 30-minute chart. We're not gonna be dealing with some glitching charts over here. Okay, so we can see over there, Asian low has been swept. Asian high is still untested, so definitely a target on the table for me there. I'll be looking for some buys here on the session for crash. And guys, just a disclaimer, this is not financial advice. Everything in the stream is purely me just documenting my journey. In fact, you don't want to be following my trades because I'm the worst trader ever. Let's see if my chart's gonna load. This is so irritating, I'll be honest with you. So now my 15-minute chart's glitching. Okay, seems like when we're working at 30. I don't know whether it's the Deriv glitching or whether it's just my Wi-Fi. Hey Jave, is the weekly open the Sunday or the Monday candle? We always look at the last candle and get some action in this zone. I'll be looking for some longs. What I also like about the zone is we have institutional point here as well. 5300. So this would be a nice zone to look for some longs from. So I'm patiently gonna wait and price to trade down to this level. And I'll be targeting the weekly open right over that point. So actually, Jaden, while we're here, let me actually show you quickly how I do the weekly open or any open that I mark out. And now the chart is just freezing. Okay. This works. Hopefully this works. Apparently that should work. Let's go to the 15-minute. Let's see if it's gonna glitch. And it's loading faster as well. Hey, okay. Seems like we made some changes there. Sorry about this, guys. I didn't hear what you said, Javid glitched. Okay, so basically, Jadian, I always, let's say the candle opens on so on the Deriv, especially at the Deriv on the 4 hour, the candles open at 2 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 2 o'clock. No, yeah, 2 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Then again, yeah, I'm so confused right now. I'm so confused. But let me show you quickly on the 4 hour. So if I'm on the 4 hour, my weekly open, so you'll see that this is the 10 o'clock candle. Why is that? Because it overlaps with 12 o'clock. So I always use that candle that overlaps with midnight basically, and that's how I do it. But let me know, guys, if is there any changes to the stream? Is the stream laggy on your side or anything like that? Because everything seems fine my end now, because I made a slight adjustment to the settings. But Jarian said it glitched there, so hopefully it didn't mess up the entire stream. Why didn't, you know? If it's so good like that, maybe I can up it. Seems to be better now. Okay, perfect, lovely stuff. There we go, guys. Sorry about that, man. Ek is so jammer oor daai. But soon this problem will be resolved. Trust me. Very soon, very soon. Okay, what's another pair we're looking at this morning? Crash 500. Oh yeah, if you're on our mentorship, just check the group. I dropped some stuff this morning. Okay, so let's look at today. Asian box. Yeah, was now headache. So Asian high swept, Asian low untested. So it seems like it's still gonna maneuver according to our plan. I'm just gonna make this a bit less visible. So we know that's our weekly structure box. Okay, so that's crash 500. It seems like nothing on the table here, but let's move on to another pair. I think crash 300. We said crash 300 this morning as well. Also very... Oh, it's at that zone. It broke right through it. Okay, very interesting. Let's see where it's playing to. Okay, are they gonna load us some more data, or what seems to be the problem? Okay, it seems like we're glitching here. That's the way to go, Jevon. That's the way to go. Okay. Okay, I want to see if I can go lower. Because this might actually be a trade. This might just be a trade. I can't go back so far in time. Okay, let's go back to the 1 hour. Jeff, I hope you're good and your family. ACR, we're doing good, man. Baba's growing. I hope you're doing well, PCR. I hope you had a great time with the family over the holidays. Okay, so I think somewhere along the zone might just have a reaction. But how I will do it is I'm gonna be very strategic about this. I'm gonna use some mathematics. So maybe somewhere around that region. And the zone will still be how much? Not bad. It's like that's like 10 pips, so I can do like a 35 pip stop on it. So it's gonna be a nice thing to look out for. Here, this thing has just been moving. There's the Asian range. Asian high untested, Asian low swept, and literally if this is the case, I'm gonna swing it for the fences. I'll be waiting for price to hit this level and do like a 30 pip stop, and then TB at the fourth quarter's low of last year. That will still be at WB125, and then I will hold for TP2 all the way up until there for like 600. Oh, 666. Oh no, until the weekly open 590. That's a okay, so that's the two crash pairs I'll be looking at. Let's see if we can open another tab. We're gonna take a chance here to overload it. Okay, this is not a good idea. It's loading too slow. We'll just come back to crash. Let's look at boom 500. Okay, let's see what happened here so far. Boom has been trained to the downside. So here we can see. Okay, nice. Nice. The question is, my only thing is I don't want to sell from there, even though there is demand down here. Okay, maybe it is something that could work out. Maybe it is something that could work out. Let's look at the levels on here. Institutional points right over here. Maybe, just maybe, depending on the strength of that candle as they hit to this level, maybe I will consider taking some shorts. From here. So 25 up stop. And since we have all of this area open on the underside, let's go to the 4 hour quickly to spot some zones. Dylan Hansen, JV. Hey Dylan, welcome man, welcome. Hope you're doing good. Okay, so there's quite a few zones on here. If I do consider some shorts, I'll probably just split, go in with a small lot, but split it. So you see the difference in pips over here. Okay, not bad, 70 pips. Maybe for 3 TPs. Let's see quickly how many pips that would be, and whether I'm just being greedy. If that's TP1 or small RR, but it's still fine, I think, in a sense of like going break even. And TP2 100 pips, not bad. TP2 190. Okay, so something that could potentially work. Yay, what's happening here? Happy New Year, dog. Okay, oh, you know. Nightbot. Nightbot, so funny, bro. Okay, Dylan, I don't know. Okay. It's weird though because I did put off the caps lock option. Let me see. But okay, I can see your message, bro. Don't worry, bro. I love you though, Dylan. Nightbot, I think Nightbot is jealous. I just think Nightbot's a bit jealous. Jeff, good question. Jeff, good question. Do you use the high and low of the Q4, or when we do chart hygiene we delete it? So you'll see in the chart hygiene videos, I basically delete everything on my chart. Then the only things I look at is last year's high and low, last quarter's high and low, last month's high and low, basically, because I know that there's where liquidity is basically stored, and that's what hope that makes sense. Okay, so that's boom 500. We potentially have crash 300 on the table here as well, and crash 1000, I think. So interesting start after the year. This thing is very volatile. I'm gonna catch a falling knife here. Okay, we're just gonna keep an eye on it. It's almost there. I'm gonna keep this tab open. Boom, we can play around with this other tab before we start lagging again. Okay, just want to double check crash here. Okay, so crash. Then wait on crash it right down to this level, and just same thing. I want to throw out those levels for you. Go for 20 pips on this. And not bad though, not bad. Let's see what other pairs we have here. Did we look at boom? Yeah, we looked at boom. Boom 1000. Also, I saw there was something. I'm thinking of buying Step. I think that's Step 100, ne? I'll check Step now. But Jevon, took your advice of just getting locked in and cutting out noise of friends, bro. I studied gold like crazy and fully transitioned into only trading gold. First trade of the year, full 200 pips scored. Sure. Nah, bro. And the thing is, like, it's not even like saying friends are bad or anything, but sometimes like you get distracted, man, and locking in, like, you start appreciating yourself more. You want to do more for yourself, So I'm very glad my advice worked, bro. It's not what, and it was not financial advice. There's no laws around personal development yet. But nah, Dylan, for real though, like, I'm really proud of you. Now just keep it up, bro. Just keep it up. Keep on studying. Keep on. I told my brother this yesterday at his birthday, bro. Like, the greatest test you can give yourself, bro, is becoming better and better every day at your craft. And clearly, the results are showing, so don't ignore them. Okay, so on Boom, basically Boom 1000, I say that I have to wait for the speed to trade all the way to the upside to 2500. So I'm gonna not touch Boom 1000 anytime soon. I'm literally just gonna wait on price to trade to that level. We discussed this morning as well in with our members, so I'm not gonna go too deep into that if you're not on our mentorship. Unfortunately, the breakdown. Unfortunately, yeah. What else do we have on the table here? We also had a Boom 300 that also potentially will be coming to our zone soon. Nice bounce there off the weekly open, and also same thing over here. We discussed this level this morning with our members in our chart hygiene session, and that's the zone I want to execute from. Seems like it's becoming a bit more volatile. Okay, I'll be a bit more conservative and maybe 15 pips. And same thing, I'll just target the weekly open, hoping for a pullback. So for 1 to 4, I'm not gonna get involved anywhere down here, because we do have demand. Just want to refine this level as well. I just want to confirm with you guys. Can you guys hear music? I just want to confirm with you, because I feel like I'm the only one vibe here. So that's a zone there on Boom 300. Once again, also discuss all of this morning with our members. Like, you guys would see, my charts are so clean. End of this year, I want to go back and show you guys how messy my charts are again. It's all that blood, sweat, and tears. Like, you can't just delete them, Okay, that's Boom 300. So, on our... Where's my book, actually? I need my book, otherwise I'm gonna lose track of what I'm looking at. Let me quickly go get a book and pen. I know I can use my phone, but I feel like writing things down physically sometimes, it's a different feel to it. Have you seen that? I found it. Only thing is not. You better get a pen, please. I'm on it, yeah, I'm on it. We'll check out Step now. I'll check Step now. I just want to write this down before I lose track of what I'm looking at. Ek my groot boek sit hier so. Okay, Come on, man. Almost there. Okay, guys, I have to write this down quickly. I have to write this down, but let me see what the chat's saying. Lekker Jevo en Andreas. Long time, my brother. Huh? Long time. Hoe gaan het samen met jou? Happy New Year. Alles wat mooi is en mag je pups lopen. Hey bro, dank je man. Likewise. Wishing you nothing but blessings, love and nothing but abundance, bro. Kan eens naar die vorige deel ook kijk op sales op EU. Orderblock we 1 hour wat nou we gaan hit. Okay, we can definitely look at EU. We're just gonna look at CSP as well. I just want to make a note here of the pairs we're all looking at. Looking at crash 1000, boom 500, crash 300, boom 300, and then what's the other one? I was looking at crash 500. Oh yeah, we also looking at crash 500. Okay, and then step 100 nee? Okay. Let's go to step quickly for Sia. Dan kan ons gaan naar Forex toe voor Andreas. Hey, just keep an eye on crash. Keep an eye on crash. Pas op net. Step. I'm gonna do this. I'm just gonna open a step here. Just rename it. Okay, so yeah, bro, I'm a highly selective person. So before we get into that, let me quickly see. What's your bias? Okay, you seriously thinking of buying? Okay. Ooh. Okay, I can't tell what's happening over there. So Jerian, once again, check this out. So 2025, I look at 1st of January. So you can see, okay, so this one you can see is perfectly on 12 o'clock. You can see, so that's where I will take the weekly open over there. Not the weekly open, the 2025 open. Okay, now we have this noted. Okay, so break of structure over here, but was that a clear break of structure? That was a clear break of structure. Okay, Dylan also says something here. With all the understanding of liquidity using them as exit points, TP, daily highs, 4-hour daily highs and lows, and then waiting for treatment to reject and hold levels on the 5 and wait for MW pattern to demand. Very mechanical. Or suppliers saw that to define the stop loss works based on just let it run. Nah, I can agree with that. Like I feel like having like a rule on each pair, like what your stop loss should be, can at least save you so much. Jevon, even if the time, I think if you have the time, you should look into Jevon. Catching 1 to 2 is so simple because of trade. Your bigger targets are, bro. I've been saying that to people. Okay, so 4-hour break of structure. Today is Monday. Okay, I see what you're onto here. I see what you're onto. I love it when you guys give me 3 ideas. And once again, if you see, this is not financial advice. It's not financial advice if we all gamble together. Obviously, it's jokes. I'm just making jokes. Okay, so looking at structure over here, break to the downside. So the supply over here. Just mark out this Asia. My only concern with this is, would be the fact that the Asian low is untested, but the Asian high is swept. That would be my only concern. But the fact that, like I would look at it from this perspective. Like here we have your supply. We can see price has mitigated it. And then we can see price had a reaction at the supply, which then formed demand flip zone. And then price obviously came into this level over here. Let's look at the 1 minute. The market's a real casino, bro. Yeah, let's not go down that rabbit hole so early in 2025. Let's not go down that rabbit hole so early. Okay, so yeah, I see what you're on to, but just for me personally right now, like it's a bit risky for me to look for longs here. But it could definitely go up your direction. But it's just not my cup of tea, you know. But all of the best, bro. All of the best. If they maybe done something like this, bro, came here for me, then I would consider the trade more potentially. Somewhere around here, then I would maybe look for some longs. But that's a step. Okay, let's take a chance. Okay. The way I'm sitting in fear just to open a new tab because I'm scared that we're gonna lag. Asian line swept on step 500. I have the monzon marked out at 581 level. Okay, noted Jerian, noted on that. Ons gaan nou na daar kom. Let's just look at the pair ticks also to look at. Not ticks, Andreas Euro USD. I just want to open one of the pairs we're all looking at here on the synthetic side of things. Okay, so crash and crash. EU. En we net ook nog een ijs gesweep. Okay. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Quickly mark out my levels on here. 2025. Yo, why is this thing on the minute? This thing is on the minute, like 4 minutes late. Like that 4 minutes can make a massive difference in how I mark out these charts. Okay, let's try this again. That's the one thing I love about TradingView. You can save your templates. Okay, so this is the 2025 open. And the levels I'm using for the 30-minute to hold the rejected daily open, the previous daily high or low, and open plus those quarterly institution levels. That's potent though, because then you have a set. How can I put it? A set key of levels which you only look at in the market instead of looking at too many things at once. Okay, Andreas, I see what you're onto here. I see what you're onto here. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, lovely. Shussie, Andreas, jouw eister. Okay. Only thing now, no? That they hit it yet. I would do this now. I would wait a bit. I would wait a bit for 04500. So I like what I've seen so far. So most likely when we reach somewhere around this level, we're gonna have some sort of push to the upside. Demand, and then hit that level, change of character depending on where this low is going to be set, and then on that, oh, and eartones. It sounds so mechanical. It sounds so mechanical, but I swear when you put it all together, direction is so clear. And a 30-minute candle is the human. The 30-minute candle is because human concentration is only for 30 minutes max. Oh damn, man's really implementing real psychology into his trading. I'm about to find market structure for 5 minutes and then into B5 fair value gap. Okay, I see what you mean. So you still, we can actually say you're still expecting like the same thing that I'm expecting, more or less. So whether they still play around you or whatever the case, but you want to see them displaced and then do something like that. Like what they were. Like what they were. Dylan said he trade gold. Is there anything you're looking at gold at the moment, Dylan? Dylan, is this the move you got? Yo. Yes, see. Yo. Die manne is honger vir my mense. Also Asian low untested there. I see what you mean, Jevon. Ek sal net 'n bietjie langer wag. They at 6,000. Let's do this here on EU. Okay, there's step. Let's see if there's anything else on the table here. What's Boom doing? Boom 500, Boom 500. At our zone maybe? Still waiting. Okay, nothing on Boom. Let me see the other crash phase. Okay, still far away. So I think the two. What's this one doing? Okay. Come on, Boom. Push it, Boom. Yeah. Oh, that's gonna be very interesting. The next hour. Snippet spectrum. What timestamps can I use to identify the Asian range? I use South African time, so from 12 to 8. From 12 a.m. to 8 a.m. So you'll see, for instance, here you can see from 12 up until 8. Actually, yeah, I made a mistake, yeah. Oh yeah, I actually forgot about this. This is no longer active. Almost that time, guys. Only a few more weeks till the office comes. Only a few more weeks till the office comes. You see Jevon Pharo military count jacket 2650 and added confluence closest bracket to the Asian range and 4 hour free flow. A 4 hour free. You have a free 4 hour setting there. Let me quickly go back there. Let me go check. You see Jevon 30 minute. Let me go 30 minute. $26.50. I think a cap is cuck, to be honest, now that I think of it. Doesn't seem like I see I took yeah I see what you see. So for instance, you could have done it like this: Asian high swept your supply zone, and then this was clean. Yes, see, change of character. Dylan, this was really clean. Into the stuff above the high. Okay, but now depending on how you want to do it, 50 pip. Yesterday, clean. Literally, you're only like, you should have started to draw down a bit. Market testing your emotions there a bit before rewarding you. Then I just hop into the Find and tap every day. Like, bro. Nah, maybe I must really come look at gold more often. Yes, sir. You feel you've been rehabilitated? Okay, yeah, I would have seen that. Yeah, gold would have clapped me. I would have had no confirmation that day. Oh yeah, I could have probably capitalized. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I would have clapped. Definitely, I would have clapped that sell. That was clean. Yeah, that's also why I don't trade gold. It's just like my method of entry. Like lately, it's been a bit difficult for me to get into trades, even though like the move is like so clear. You must sell me some signals, Dylan. I'll send you you must send me your banking details. I only go break even once, 350. Okay, so Dylan, on gold, I think you said it now. You said you used the 35 up stop, ne? Yo. Okay, you're definitely onto something, yeah. So if you're 50 deep and you go break even, that's exactly where it basically broke structure. And then 3 yesterday. Nah, bro, you're definitely onto something, yeah. You must definitely share it in the group. Oh yeah, speaking of that, I must just do something as well quickly. Yeah, I almost switched the PC off. Yes, see. Yes, I'm putting the PC off. Oh my word, that would have been terrible. Okay. Okay, I think I need to restart that. Here we go. Mm.
House music. What is house music? Those people in the studio want to give me 5 minutes to explain house music. 5 minutes. It even said God 7 days to make the heaven and earth. You don't explain house music. You won't explain house music. You can't explain house music. You live house music. You sweat house music. You cry house music. You die house music. You smile. That's house music. 5 minutes. You got 5 minutes. You got a lifetime to listen, to feel. That's house music. House music. What is house music? A collection of sounds, the bassy rhythm. A bassy rhythm that penetrates the soul. From our past life made home. Coming from the motherland, Africa. Fusion of soul, jazz, reggae, gospel, swing, rhythm, hip-hop. Without the vision, the pain, without the giving, the tears. So I want you to check this out. As one, my brothers and sisters.
Let me just mark this out. Okay, let's see this level.
Because that is house music. Let it flow through your veins. Let it talk to your mind. Let it talk to your body. Let it talk to your soul. Let it make you whole. Deep inside, it will lift you up when you're feeling down. It will make you cry, take you on a ride. It will make you down. It will lift you up. It will lift you out. It will let you fly.
Hey, Incognito. Welcome, man. Hope you're doing well. Thank you, thank you. Wishing you nothing but health and wealth. Uh, I'm so damn sure it's working with your study. Yeah, but only one way to find out some backtesting and data collection. I actually forgot to look at that now. I will look now. I'm scared that market is it's so too much flames. Nah, bro, you can't be scared, Dylan. That's the only way you're gonna learn. That's the only way you're gonna learn. I'm almost done. I have to send the trail alert out.
Carry on and so on and so on and so on. Good still and will carry on. So on, so on, so on. Because music empowers every soul.
Okay. To my first of the year. Need to take it as a sign for good year, Ed. Nah, definitely, definitely. I haven't taken anything as yet. We also had some problems with the stream this morning. It's true, the year started off as WTF, but now, rather we face everything earlier in the season. Do you know? Get like, grounded. So I believe it will be a good year for all of us. I've been saying it to many people. It's going to be a good year for most of us. Die mensen met die goede harten gelukkig. Okay, that thing is holding there. Did you trade EU incognito? Uh, Sorry, I need to send this out to. Hey. Oh. Oh, it'll take some time for price to reach that level. Okay. Jim, from the bottom of my heart. Only claims you can cash out else. Bro, I love USDT. I love USDT. I feel like it's a very great pay. You must just like I feel like we must just respect USDT a bit more, because I feel like that's when we get clapped. Yeah, my sales were triggered at 1.03095. 1.03095. Stop, see that I was targeting. Okay, I see what you mean. It's okay. It's okay. It happens to the best of us. Just look at USDT. Sure. It's calling my name. It's calling my name right now. It's calling my name right now. The question is, did it mitigate when it came here? It did not mitigate when it came here. Oh. Oh. Let's see something. Let's see something. Okay. But it didn't reach. That's my only thing now. I didn't reach that level. But also, it's gonna be a massive zone to look for change of character. But this will be beautiful as well. If they do that, if they break above change character, I would consider it, bro. I would consider those cells. What's Nasdaq doing? Okay, but then again, I can't go against my boy Trump though. Can't go against my boy Trump now. Nah. This one already reacted. I'd rather look at USDT. Set an alert, yeah. We have an alert in EU as well. Ooh, crash is coming down as well. Yo, it's really hard doing all the shit myself. Yo. Reason why I like gold is because the entire earth is using it, so it needs to be stable. Any one of those 30 stock companies could go to shit to bed, and there goes your bias and you say that. Okay, that is true though. That is true. The humble pie. Elon Musk is about to eat. Wait. I'm so confusing myself here. The humble pie. Elon Musk is about to eat and still in the oven. He's letting his ego get ahead of him. What do you mean? There's a gold can't do it as well. It's probability game. Most likely it doesn't. Found is obvious when it does. It's really volatile. Yeah, I get what you mean on that. It goes back to what I always say. Like it's what you invest in. Like what you invest. What you. It's same with like me, bro. Like the reason why like I trade synthetics, very good example, is because like the other trade is similar markets that have someone do something and then the news comes out and you just stop. You don't understand why you stop. Elon wants to buy Liverpool. Elon should come to South Africa since he claims to be such a good South African and so proud of where he was born and his heritage, and can fix the fucking shit that we're facing this side. That's what he must do. This is why I say all these people, when they have money in there, like they're all a bunch of sellouts. Like, because yo guys, if I had Elon's money in there, yo, I would buy the entire earth. Nah, that is true also, Dylan. Like, yo, when you have that money, it's a different type of money. Hey, how come crash? Let's just break liquor, yeah. Or am I also gonna eat some humble pie? First trade of the year for me. He made up with Cyril to get SA that internet could actually be supplying. He made up with Cyril to get SA that internet is currently supplying to the globe. But the thing is, I've heard about that, the Starlink. But then, didn't they pull out? Didn't Starlink pull out of South Africa? Because of the BEE hoota? He's not happy with that. Elon's busy fighting the pedo, UK politician. Man's busy. He's all over the place pronouncing. But think about it that way, guys. When you have so much money, you already control the company, you control whatever the case. What else would you like, I always say, when you have so much money, you want to start controlling everything. So went back to after the BEE thing. Hey bro, if you can get Starlink here. Ek sal nie sê vir 'n bietjie Starlink. Okay, so I'm not gonna enter crash over here. Well, no, I can enter crash here. I can enter crash. But before I do, crash 300. Wait, what? It spiked more? Okay, I see why it looks like that. Okay, makes sense. Me enter. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna split my lot size in two. Okay, so my entry is 2029154. My stop loss is 4260. No, it can't be right. Hey, what's happening here? Sorry, something's bugging out here. Okay, I don't know why. Okay, I don't know why this thing is doing that, but let me go exactly to the 1 minute. So I entered exactly over there. Sorry, quickly guys, I'm just sorting out a few things on my end quickly. I don't think so. They're really seeing his influence might be a challenge to them. They'll start targeting his business with regulations. It would make sense. It would make sense. It goes back to that thing of control also, to keep people in line. We can get Starlink, but they may have to go through neighboring countries. But then again, also, like, I don't really trust Elon, like, you know, I'll be honest. Bro, there's nothing you can really do to a man who can go to space with shits and giggles of his own expense. As less a human, I'm not operating at my full potential just knowing he's alive while I'm alive. My bro, that man is playing Diablo, Wally. Don't you think it's weird that he's one of the best Diablo players in the world? Diablo's the game of the devil. I'm just saying, maybe connecting dots to them shouldn't be connected. Okay, let's get into this quickly. Trade management. That's 184 pips. Wait, I'm doing this wrong. Yeah, I can say I haven't done this in quite some time. Gaan nou check also Andreas. Gaan nou check wat maak EU. Sorry, I'm just gonna mark all of this out. Oh. Okay. Now we have trade management zone, we know how to do. Keenan Benjamin, yo, long time my brother, long time. How you doing? Hey Keenan, we must still record that thing. Hello Jevon. What's up, everyone? Blessed 25, this 2025 to everyone. May this be a prosperous and adventurous year. Keen and donkey, man, donkey. Wishing you nothing but wealth and health this season, my man. It's crazy how he hasn't solved world hunger. The UN actually. Wait, let me quickly show you, ne? UN projection to end world hunger. There's a okay, look at this. Look at this. Global cost of reaching a world without hunger, investment costs and policy action opportunities. So basically, based on the estimation, ending hunger by 2030 would require an annual investment of about 39 to 50 billion USD up until 2030 to lift everyone out of world hunger. Now, okay, this was made when where's the date? 2021, so 9 years ago. So let's quickly do the math on that, ne? Let's quickly do the math on that. Let's say 50 million. Let's say 50 million times 9. They would need $450 billion to solve world hunger. Ne? Elon Musk's net worth is more than half of that. So why can't all these billionaires just come together, or chip $1 billion a year together, and actually solve a problem that they all claim to want to solve? Instead of solving world hunger, what they want to do, they would rather spend billions on vaccines and shit like that to depopulate the planet. It's crazy. He can do whatever game he wants as long as he pumps my Doge back. He could really take up with Jeff Bezos, and use Amazon for deliveries for global parcels. Yo, Dylan. Yo, I don't know how to feel about that one. I'm a bit scared, bro, of a bunch of billionaires coming together and working together towards one common goal. It usually leads to control. What the fuck, EU? Okay, sorry, I forgot about that. Hey! US 30, no? Yesterday, but I would still club them. But yesterday, man. So that's a mistrade there. That's a mistrade, unfortunately. We called the sell on EU with Andreas. Andreas called the sells. We called the Nasdaq sells. We called the US30 sells now as well. But unfortunately, we couldn't get in on any of the pairs. Am I gonna get some humble pie here and crash? Let's see. Dylan Hansen, they need to help us put in money and do whatever. They can do whatever. Bro, Tex, listen to this, ne? Guys, listen to this. Don't you think it's interesting, ne? They said that there's not enough money in the world to buy everything in the world. So this then means that if there's no money in the world to buy everything in the world, how has everything been acquired so far? What is this thing called money? And what is this thing that actually controls us? You know? It's just a bit like, you know, like, yeah, bro. Control. Bro, you can also buy our own islands and bunkers and not give a good thanks, but don't worry, bro. We definitely got a little record. Going to record a level of Little B's voice. Nah, awesome. Only until the little one can say the same. Yeah, definitely. Only until she can say the same. You know, funny thinking, so my aunt and were in Alabama North Christmas, and I asked her like, okay, like send me another video, like, because she sent me a video of the family. So I was like, send me another one, like, and then she went through everyone in the family, like, say hello to Jevon. Now I get a nugget and it says she's 21 now. And in the video she's also like, hi Jevon, and I'm like, bro, she's so old, but she sounds like your daughter. Jeff, you all know what will happen. That money will get sent to Africa and the politicians pocket it. Hey, true. True. Okay, go EU, Jeff. And the rest, I'm disappointed. See, shitting the bed. Actually challenge them to provide the methodology they use to get to these conclusions. He's still waiting. I love the UN, but it's like the gaslighting by publishing a lot of propaganda. Okay, that I can agree on. That I can agree on. I don't trust the UN, the World Health Organization, the World Bank. I don't trust the government at all. Hey Keenan, same here, bro. Same here. Here's our analysis. We still set the alert over here at this point. We wanted to sell from the 1.04500. But hey guys, don't you see, it's so beautiful when we all see the same thing. Nah, look at that, like we all missed it. We all missed it. It wasn't because like entry this, entry that, like we all followed our rules and that's like literally none of us expected it. And how can I put it, man? It's like it's just the beauty of, man, like seeing everyone see the exact same thing. It's awesome. It's awesome. What's Boom 300 doing? Okay, it's getting there. It's getting there. Yeah, I'm so upset with the spear now, man. Okay, what did Ripple do? Yeah, Ripple barely even moved. Right, what about GU? Nah, I do not want to get involved here. I do not want to get involved here now. This is like asking. This is asking now to get you to get a stop on these ways. Yeah. Yeah, so my baby is 5 months today, ne? My mom's like, we have to start planning a first birthday party. And what she just sent me is like, yo, my ma, die geld groeit zeker op je charts, ne? But yeah, what can I say? Waiting for Trump to be inaugurated, but until then, I'm in on those Ripple dips. Hey, bro, I'm patiently waiting on Ripple. I'm willing to wait on Ripple a few years if I have to. I think it's gonna happen. I'm gonna make a prediction here on stream, the first stream of the year. No one will forget it. I believe this year. There's gonna be some event that takes place worldwide. I'm not saying like it's gonna be as hectic as COVID, but there will be an event that happens and everyone's gonna be talking about it. And once again, people will be misled by propaganda. I don't know when it's gonna happen, but I think I wouldn't be surprised. I wouldn't be surprised. Made a deposit early in the morning at 18 rand 77 cents. Now it's 18. I knew something would happen. Yeah, Dylan. Also, why I say ne is because, bro, if they like really hear me out on this ne, how are you gonna just gonna shift the entire world's currency or the value of every. Let me put it this way: if they're gonna replace a dollar with Ripple, ne, how are they just gonna do it without? They can't just do it. They're gonna create some sort of event. Bro, some advice: do not go overboard with the first birthday. Consider a party at 2 or 3. Kenan, I'm with you with that one. I'm with you with that one. The question is, can I convince, how many are they? My mom, Michaela, my grandma, it's her mom. Can I convince these other 4 women in my life that we shouldn't go overboard? But yeah, like I'm saying, guys, I truly believe something's gonna happen. They're gonna. Nah, I don't think. I don't think Bitcoin. I don't think Bitcoin. I don't think Bitcoin. I'm being honest. I feel like, yeah, obviously I don't know what's gonna happen, but I believe it will be Ripple. Um, but I also believe it could be something else. But what I do know for sure is like when if there's some sort of change when it comes to our monetary system, there's gonna be some event that's gonna cause it. Either a war, either a new virus, alien invasion, maybe. Trump was speaking about using Bitcoin to pay off the debt to USOs. Okay, okay. In your situation, brother, Keenan. Ja, bro. If it won't, if it like, in the end becomes that thing where you just do it because you just want to play some Fortnite. Then I suspect the major sell-off in Bitcoin. Yeah, also I do believe Bitcoin is gonna have a massive sell-off soon. Um, Even though we like this all these projections, the bull market, I think there is gonna be some sort of dip that's gonna happen on Bitcoin to scare off a lot of people before like the true whales buy in again. But it's really interesting the times we're living in. I will say that. I will say that. I wanted to quickly check my neighbor's home yet and to ask him a favor. A massive favor. Okay. Ja manne, ek is nou terug op laas jaar se schedule weer, so stream winkel toe vir finansiële goede, terug huis toe, vroukie help ook. En dan then maybe, just maybe I can hop on the game. But I'll let you guys know. Okay. Yo, Crash is fighting us, yo. I'm kind of going on the Shaquille and on the Shaquille and Sana strip, only trading one market and being and one trick pony at the pace. Yo, I'm really stumbling over my words here. I'm kind of going on the Shaquille and Sana strip of only trading one market, being a one trick pony in trading pace. Nah, true. That, bro, I can agree with that. I can agree with that. Having fixed pays you trade, bro, life can be easy, bro. Life can be easy. You guys literally say it every day on stream, like crash and boom my babies, crash and boom my babies. Because the thing is, like, once you form your relationships with those markets, like, it becomes very, very easy. Like, for me, once crypto started trending again, and I clicked everything else, and just prefer the higher risk reward. Yeah, and it takes gets the what's it called? The adrenaline pumping. Adrenaline pumping. Crash is fighting, yeah. Crash is fighting. If we can just minimize the risk, it would be lovely. Then I don't mind if it does want to stop me out. If I could just minimize my risk, I'll be happy. Very, very happy. Okay, Crash is getting there. Crash is getting there. Yeah, Jeff, it does. I had to move away from the lower time frames because going crazy. Nah, bro, like, takes, like, it's part of the journey, man. It's really part of the journey. I remember there was a point where, bro, like, I didn't even look at the 1 minute. I was only on the 4 hour 15 minute, 4 hour 15 minute, 4 hour 15 minute, and it worked for me, you know. It worked for me. Then I got used to it, and I was like, you know, okay, how do I take this even further, you know? And only then, bro, was now when I started going into like the 5 minute, the 3 minute, the 1 minute, you know. But I feel like you really have to master the higher time frame to start understanding the lower time frame. Because the thing is, if you're good with the lower time frame, you can start predicting what will happen on the higher time frame, like in the sense of candle closures, things like that. Sounds crazy, but if you really know how to trade, you'll know what I'm talking about. I just realized how bad that sounded. If you really know how to trade, you know what I mean. And I just mean, like, if you trade lower time frames, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, Crash, what is your plan? Agree with that. The only issue I found was once Bitcoin squeezed, also with the shit bit on the low time frame. It's interesting. It's not highly recommended to go. If not, I highly recommend even go watch Jevon Pharo's podcast on Trader Line. Oh, you said it last time, Dylan. Yes, I never went to go check him out. I actually should. Professional stock day trader, making millions of day trading. Similarly to how we trade forex. Same here. Only look at one time frame, 5 minutes. Nothing else been 3 years trading the same. Looking only one time frame. Sure. Yo, I can't do that. I'll be honest. Yo, I wouldn't trust myself. I would not trust myself. So let me show you guys some of the ideas I have for the office for placement and how it will look. Okay, so this is the one place I was looking at. The only thing I don't like about it is like it looks so dark and like it matiny. But why did I choose this one? What did I like about it? There was something about it. Oh, I think it was this how open it looks, and then you can go to individual areas. I think that's one of the reasons why I like this one. And also, like, you can see the parking. There's a lot of parking, you know. So if anyone wants to come over for things like that, they can do that. Then another one I was looking at was I don't know. I don't know why I saved this one either. Oh yeah, I think it was the lighting in there. It looked quite good. Floor was easy to clean. And obviously it was not. This is nice. Looks nice and big. Obviously we'll make a lot of changes in there. But then I felt like this is one of the reasons why I liked it. Yeah, because like this is gonna be more than just an office space. So I can literally see, like, you know, real trader vibes, man. Like for the staff, for the people who come to the office and so forth. Real vibes, man. And then also obviously, like, if we ever host events at the office, there's a braai area as well. Let me look at the other one I looked at. I think I changed my mind about this one. Also, main reason was the parking, and then obviously the nice little reception space. And then I think same thing over here. I think I liked this idea for smaller training groups. Only thing is the mats, man, make the place look so cack, man. Oh no. What's this now? See, and things like this like puts me off about the places. Then I start looking for more. Let me see what else I had here. I don't think I saved it on here. But yeah, man, this is one like I must make the right choice. Must make the right choice when I do it. Okay. Which broker are you using to trade cryptos? Okay, I think you're asking Tix. I mainly use Binance and Bybit. Some other exchanges that do not require KYC though. We find more accuracy. Looks good, Jeff. Excited to come down for a visit, bro. Like, yo, bro, I can't wait, man. Just for that first time, like when everything is up, so I can tell the people, and people's obviously with us, like, and from the streams, come check out the office, man. Like, just come through. You know, let's do something. I really like. I won't share everything too much now, but like, there will be some things coming your way to the guys watching the stream. It was something like that in Cape Town is easily 25k a month. That is cheap for 11.5. P is a bit they are a bit cheap, which I like about them. I like that. But it's also like why now I wanna maximize, you know, get the money worth. You know, I'm trying to say, it must be worth the money, man. But I am still waiting on some developers to also get back to me on places that they just worked on. But I'm still waiting on responses, and the end of the week, someone's gonna come pick me up, and we're gonna go look at some places so I can actually envision it in person. So yeah, graphic designer's PC sorted out. The streaming PC is sorted out. The new streaming PC. The lighting is sorted out. Just need to get some extra, like the cable splitters and stuff like that. Need to get another mic. Ooh, and also, you guys know who this is? You guys know what this is? Errol. So I spoke to him this weekend as well, and this man's old. He's 41 years old. Damn. But yeah, I spoke to him as well. He's gonna be one of the guests that's gonna be on the podcast once we launch. So like, guys, like, for really, like, yo, working on something potent. Yeah, Dylan, I only trade EU, and I look for trend continuation and enter on a retracement Fibonacci and entry at the 786 level. My order can't exceed a 3 based on the retracement range. Yeah, Cognito is very mathematical, strategic on the stuff. Babe, where you? Where? Okay, please send me the list of those things from the shop. If you can just minimize the risk, if I can just minimize my risk, I can end the stream and I can go to the shop, but I can't just leave you. Jim, it's all on that 2-1 step when I send you. I'll pick up the data. Okay, noted. I'll have a deeper look. I'll definitely have a deeper look. Yo, like, I've been so busy this December month. I can't believe it. Even now, like, you're running around. I only trade EU as well. The many swing traded. Check Bitcoin. Let's check Bitcoin. Yes, this thing is the $100,000 per coin. Yo. Look at my uncle made some bags on Bitcoin. Yo, and man made some bags on Bitcoin. Hallo. Ik sta gewoon nog weer live. Kan je goed... Hallo, kan je hoor? Kan je goed... Oh shit. Die battery is in huis in. Fuck it. Ik het gewoon vergeet van dit. Oké, ja, het is in huis als mijn broer zijn kamer. Ik heb nog gewoon vergeet van het uitgehaald van... I was bang geweest, iemand steel het. Okay, away. Have other 3 trades and needed this push up. Hopefully accepts above 100k. I honestly think Bitcoin's gonna go at least till here now. I think Bitcoin's at least gonna go up until it's probably gonna hit here, maybe hit some sort of retracement, hit this level, retracement, and then maybe like when we get here, maybe even have another some sort of retracement and pullback, and from there maybe even see some more higher highs. I honestly wouldn't be surprised if it happens because the way this thing has been moving, yeah. I have my projected range highs at 122,000. Yo, die manne wil eet, yo. Die manne wil, you know, if you compare like the amount of like money Bitcoin moves to Ripple, it's like really crazy. Like it's really insane. Yo. And here we're just waiting on the market to go hit $5 on it. Come on, crash. So someone called 250k and CNBC this morning. Hey, Tex, bro, I've seen someone call $1 million, bruh, per Bitcoin. I've seen someone call $1 million, bro. Crazy shit. So like, I don't know, bro. The thing is, the thing is, guys, if you think about it, like money like doesn't actually exist. If you think about it from this perspective, money like technically like sky is the limit when it comes to these cryptos. Author of Rich Dad Poor Dad predicted 300k. Hey, Dylan, author of Rich Dad Poor Dad also predicted, but a gold going to $30,000 per coin. He called it from, I think it was from from the 1890s level, I think, and that thing went to 2,600. Sorry, I just need to. Okay. If Trump goes for a strategic move, for a strategic reserve, going to the moon and setting up big camp, hey, at this rate it will be a million. At this rate will be a million in a couple of years. Bitcoin is appreciating against fiat. Yeah, true. That is very true, Tex. It is appreciating against fiat currencies. Jeff, that's Kathy from ARK Investments. Called $1 million on Bitcoin. Hey, I don't want to fight the guys, and like honestly, when it comes to cryptos nowadays, I'm just like, for me, it's so interesting to see what's gonna happen, like for real. And crash is coming back down, and now I have to sit here for another 15 minutes waiting for price to go hit that high now. Just see. So let's see. 15 minutes. So in in half an hour we could at least be break even. Okay. Been live for about almost 2 hours. I don't understand how cryptos work, but I personally don't want to. But I'm in, bro. I've yeah, Nah, I'm with you on that one. I'm with you on that one. Bitcoin definitely gonna grow, but must accept that it will outlive us. There's no point for crazy predictions. True. Like I can agree with that incognito. Like we don't know like how long this is gonna go on. Like because we will die and our kids are gonna have to go through some of these things, and like if we think about like the computer age, most parents like they were just born, or not just born, but like they were like us at some point, and they were like, hey, computers, and now we all use computers. So Jeff, what's my average holding time? Yo, it's hard to say. Usually like a day, like throughout 2 sessions. Like if I get on, like if I can get in London, exit like before Asia. So I would say, yeah, I usually hold it like 2 sessions a day. It really depends. Sometimes it can be a few minutes. or only a few hours. It really depends. I mean, you guys have seen how I trade. I trade 1 to 7s, 1 to 3s, 1 to 2s. Enigiets wat beweegt, Jevon is daar. Okay, I wanna have to. Okay, guys, if I have to go to the shop. I have to go to the shop. Wifey can't cook unless I go to the shop. But I also don't want to leave the chat. I want to be But mainly also I don't want to just leave with the open trade like this. Sorry, I'm gonna just fix this here. This is not 32, that must be 30. Sorry, my bad. My bad. Should be like that. Okay, come on. Let's go, Crash. Let's go. Make Papi proud. Make Papi proud. Okay, I have to go outside quickly. Don't go anywhere, I'll be right back. If I leave, I'll say bye properly. I'm not leaving. I am back. First trade for the year. Up 1-1. Let's go. It's just gonna happen. Oh, I actually received an alert now. USDT crossed the level, yeah. This thing just came all the way back up. Oh, but EU never came back though. Boom, 300. Hey, boom's almost there. Boom's almost there. But I'm not gonna execute more trades now on stream. Most likely share with our members privately. If I do decide to take it. Yeah, this thing is fighting. Literally, if it closes above this level here, and above the 1-1 level, if it closes there, I'm going not break even. I'm gonna manage the stop loss. So I just want to make this look neat. Price literally wasted like 15, 20, like half an hour worth of waiting that was wasted on pullbacks. Hey, thank you, Justin. Welcome, man. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well. We caught a falling knife here, Justin. We caught a falling knife. After all that drop, waited and waited and waited, and we caught it. Alrighty, only a few more seconds. Yeah, then we're gonna gooi for about 184 pips. Okay, guys, closure above that level. I'm gonna minimize the risk here. Derivative code, hey, thank you, Dylan. Thank you, Dylan. Thank you, man. Alrighty. Yessie, what just happened there? Lekker pullback. Lekker pullback. But okay, guys, we have minimized the risk on that trade. So I've been live for 2 hours now. I'm gonna be gooiing now. I have to go to the shop. Like I said, my wife can't cook because I haven't gone yet. But guys, beautiful, beautiful first trade of the year. Beautiful first stream for us. I'll be back again tomorrow, 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock. Like I said this morning, I was a bit overpowered after the party yesterday. But like all fun and games is now aside. Now it's time to focus and work and get this office up. So guys, once again, much love. Appreciate each and every one of you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next one tomorrow.